In this video, I'll show you how to connect MEXC with TradingView, and it's actually much easier than you might think. You don't need to open TradingView separately because everything can be done directly inside the MEXC platform. First, open MEXC and choose the coin or trading pair you want to trade. For example, you can go to the spot market and select a pair like MX, USDT, or any other token you prefer since TradingView is supported across all pairs. Once the chart loads, look for the option next to Original that says TradingView and click on it. As soon as you do, the chart will switch to the TradingView interface, giving you access to all of TradingView's tools and indicators. You can also expand the chart to full screen for a better view, and you'll notice the TradingView logo along with the full set of charting tools on the left side. From here, you can analyze and trade however you like. That's all there is to it. I hope this helped, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.